I still can't believe it. Total shock. I still don't know how I got lucky, but I did. I didn't think I was gonna see, hold, or touch a PS5 until at least February, March of 2021. I mean, it is the hottest item and very difficult to find, which we will talk about a little bit later in this video. In this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and hands-on impression of the new PS5. So before we break out this bad boy, we are very close to 1K subscribers. So thank you to everybody who's been subscribing, but I've been paying attention to YouTube analytics and I noticed a lot of my watchers are not subscribing to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It does help me out significantly and the YouTube algorithms. So hit that button and tap that notification bell. By the way, this is one big, heavy box. I just want to quickly show you the back of the box. Here you can see it has 825 gigabytes of storage. And of course, they're going to talk about the next generation lightning speed hardware, breathtaking immersion, stunning games. I'm not going to go through a full rundown of the specs. I'm going to wait for that on the full review. Man, this box is no joke. Okay. All right, so we just took the box out of the box, and now on the top here, we have the instructions, of course, the quick start guide, and then the safety guide. Don't plan on reading that, but it's there if you want to. Here is gonna be good old power cord. It actually looks, that's funny, it looks identical to the PS4. Yep, it looks exactly identical. Anywho, and then here is going to be that DualSense controller. It feels nice. It's got a nice little weight to it. It feels really good in the hands. I feel really comfortably. I'm liking it so far. Got that USB-C port right there. What is this thing? I'm guessing this is a stand to put it vertically. Give you an HDMI cable. I'm pretty sure this is the new 2.1. I'll have to verify that, but I think it is 2.1. Okay, this is going to be the USB-C to USB-A cable to charge the controller. All right, I'm going to have to double hand this thing in here. This thing is a beast. So it's probably going to be easier to slide out. All right, here it is. Oh, man, this thing is heavy. So I have the disc version, and then it looks like on the front here you have a USB-A port, USB-C, and then here is going to be eject button and then the power button. Back here you have two USB 3.0 ports, the LAN port, HDMI, and then the power port. So on the top and the back here it looks like there's a cable lock there. So that's going to be it for the ports. All right, so I have the PS5 all hooked up, so I'm going to show you more or less how quickly it turns on in the boot up time. This thing is pretty big. It's almost two PS4s or a slim desktop PC. And it has a good bit of weight to it. So in the beginning of this video, I mentioned how difficult it was to purchase a PS5, and I didn't think I was gonna get one. And that's mainly because of the scalpers and the bots that they create to buy all the stock and basically hoard them and then overcharge them, double, triple, even quadruple charge them on websites like StockX, eBay. Now it's been getting a lot more attention this year because everybody's doing mostly online shopping. Even the GPUs have been getting hit hard. It's 2020. I think it's a little ridiculous that we don't have a way to combat this type of stuff. It really hurts the people and consumers who just really want to buy one for their kids or their family or just themselves or a gift or whatever the case may be, and it's almost impossible to find. I mean, there was one scalper who had over 3,000 PlayStation 5s. I think that's horrible. There should be a way to stop this type of stuff. So anyway, don't give up hope. Like I said before, I've been extremely lucky. I just happened to click on it 1,000 times at the right second and it went through for me. So don't give in to the scalpers. Be patient. More stock will come. You might have to wait another few weeks, but you will get one eventually. So stay diligent. Don't give in. So that's going to wrap up this video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. Smash that like button if you did. Stay tuned for the full review because I'm going to be playing this guy for quite a while in the next couple of days. Oh, and also, so this is what I'll be playing for the majority of my time. So wait for the full review. Stay tuned for more. Hope you have a good one, and I'll catch you later.